Hey guys, back with another unboxing. So today we've got the Otterbox screen protector. Now I've had to purchase a new screen protector because the screen protector on my phone, on the iPhone 11 Pro, has got a crack in it. The crack you'll see in that image there runs all the way up the left hand side and veers off to the edge near the lock button. So what happened here was someone had a beer bottle in their hand nearby my phone. It was just sitting on a bench. The beer bottle slipped out of the hand of the person and it came and hit down on the edge of the phone. So the screen protector has done its job. If that wasn't there and it hit on the edge of the glass on the iPhone here, it definitely would have smashed the screen. So I'm okay with wasting a little bit of money on a screen protector because it's done its job. So this time I decided to try out the Otterbox Amplify. This is a flat glass screen protector. So similar to this one here, it doesn't wrap around the edges. It only goes on the flat bit of the glass on the iPhone. So the Otterbox do make one that is an edge-to-edge system that goes around the edges of the iPhone. But I was a bit worried if it went around. I normally use the iPhone 11 Pro leather case from Apple. I was just worried that if it came up too far, the leather case, and it would hit the screen protector, that it would not seat well properly on the phone. So I just went with the flat glass screen protector. This does come at a little bit of a premium price compared to the Belkin one. The Belkin tempered glass is normally $29.95 in Australia, and their Invisiglass, which I think is the one that I've got on the phone right now, Belkin Invisiglass Ultra, it is $49.95, and this one comes in at $59.95. The Otterbox Edge to Edge one, it actually goes for $79.95, so I thought that was possibly a little bit exy for a screen protector as well. So let's just have a look. This is engineered by Corning. It comes with a precise installation system, helps protect display from drops and scratches, and this is for the iPhone 11 Pro. It does have a limited lifetime warranty. I don't know exactly what limited means, but I'm sure if you drop it and smash it like that they're not going to give you a new screen protector because it has done its job at the end of the day. So let's get this out and just see what it comes with. So here we go. Oh, no, we don't need that. That's all rubbish. And here we have a little frame to give you a guide. Comes with a little accessory kit. Let's just get this out. So it comes with a dust removal sticker, which is helpful. Comes with your little microfiber cloth, a wet wipe, another dust removal sticker, another microfiber, and another wet wipe. So double of everything there, that's handy. Gives you installation instructions, so let's just quickly run through those. Let's see, first we've got remove the case, obviously. Open the accessory kit, clean your screen with a wet wipe, then dry with a microfiber. Remove any dust with the dust removal sticker. Place alignment tool on device face, aligning with top and bottom edge of device. Peel the tab to expose adhesive, but do not touch the adhesive because you'll put dust on it with your fingers. So carefully align the Amplify screen protector using the alignment tool. Press onto the screen, pushing bubbles to the edges. Okay, so we'll just get this one off so I can show you what it looks like with a broken screen protector. You can see just there, that's coming off. And there we go. So you can see that. just there's definitely broken. It's done its job. impact point was, let's see if I can just focus up on that. It's a bit hard. Oh, there we go. Impact point's right down on that corner, and it's just shattered the whole way up to there. So let's just, I haven't actually been able to check this because I haven't taken it off yet, but you can see just there that it has not hit any of the glass on the screen. So that's good. Just got this little edge along where the screen protector was sitting that will wipe all off when we do our wet wipe system. So we'll get rid of that old one. And so basically what you need to do is prep the screen like it says in the instructions, then sit this on, peel that back layer off the screen protector, and then you can hold that down, use the guide, and as you let it go, what'll happen is it'll touch down in here and it'll just slowly get rid of all the air underneath there. Try and push all the bubbles to the edges like that instruction says. So yeah, that's the Otterbox Amplify screen protector, guys. I haven't used this one before, so I'm hoping that it's really good. It feels like it has a very natural glass feel. So I hope that's helped anyone that was looking at the Otterbox Amplifier. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.